Hi guys, this is Brian of BLP and I am here with...
I'm Ivan Enriquez representing Marikina City.
Alright, hello Ivan. Katatapos lang ng press presentation ninyo. So, ano nararamdaman mo ngayon?
Kanina kinakabahan ako pero ngayon sobrang natutuwa ako. I'm happy to get to know yung other medias din, and it is the start of a new journey for me. So, I'm ready na.
Okay, so speaking of ready, ano bang ginawa mo preparation siguro a couple of days ago for this event?
A couple of days ago for this event, syempre skin clinic, kaya natin mag-maintain yung skin natin, and also working out. So, to maintain the physique, and also, right now kasi I'm focusing on communication skills. Like right now, so I'm ready. Diba?
Okay, so na-mention mo kanina, workout. So, gaano ka kadalas nag-gym in a week, and gaano katagal ba yung isang gym session mo?
Ako usually is 4 to 5 times a week. Pero mga 1 hour lang. Then, plus cardio siguro minsan.
Okay. And because nag-workout ka, anong part ng katawan mo ang most proud ka?
Ito hindi masyado siya sinasabi. Pero more on ako, shoulders.
Okay.
Yeah.
Broad
Okay. Shoulders. Yan. Kasi yun talaga yung parang sa tingin ko, maganda yung dating ng shoulders.
Pero hindi ba, meron ka ba challenge sa pamimili ng damit because broad yung shoulders mo? Minsan maskip?
Hindi naman. Kasi mas maganda yung look, kumbaga. So parang lumiliit yung waist.
Okay. Alright, so kung may fave part ka ng katawan mo, ano sa katawan mo, sa tingin mo, yung kailangan mo pang i-improve?
Ako sa tingin ko, syempre, waist. Yung belly, so syempre minsan di naman tayo may abs talaga, di ba? So kailangan i-improve natin yan. So I'm doing core workouts talaga every time.
Okay, ano ba ang state ng abs mo ngayon? 1 whole pack? 2 packs? 4 packs?
Medyo shallow pa Pero nandun na yung pa 6-pack.
Wow! So ang goal natin 6 packs.
Oo, syempre, yun talaga.
Alright. Now, dahil nag-workout ka, I'm sure may special diet ka. So kwentuhan mo kami about your special diet.
Yes, I have an online coach. So, ang special diet ko ngayon is more on the veggies, tapos less carbs and more protein.
Okay, so lastly, what is your message to your supporters and to your team?
To my supporters and my team, thank you so much for still supporting me. This is my second pageant already. So, still support me and Mr. Pilipinas Worldwide, and kukunin natin ng isang title dito.
Alright. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Brian.